Hi, I'm Helen from the Knit Kit Company, and today I'm going to tell you about one of our kits, the Scafell Scarf. This kit is classed as really easy, which means it's perfect for first timers, beginners, people who've never knitted before. It's made with super chunky yarns, super chunky needles. It's a nice, quick and easy knit. So I'm going to tell you about what comes in your kit. Firstly, you get your kit bag, which is big enough to fit everything in it. Keep your work in progress in there, keep all your knitting stuff together. Next, we get your pattern, the Scafell Scarf pattern. It's full of all the instructions you need, lots of pictures and help. Next, you have your Knitstructable booklet. Basically tells you everything you need to know to complete the kit, casting on, casting off, and so on. Importantly, you'll need your chunky needles. So you've got a pair of chunky needles in here. And the best bit is the yarn, not one ball, not two balls, but 3 balls. Choose your own colours, you can mix and match. This would look quite nice actually. It's beautiful, soft and squishy, super warm, it's gorgeous. And at the end you've got your tapestry needle to weave in any loose ends. So this is a perfect kit for first timers. Make it their own with all their choice of colours. It's super cozy, it would be a fantastic gift for anyone. We hope you enjoy making your kit.